Okay, well, morning everyone. This is Raoul, Thomas, and Mazen for the EuroAsiaAfrica Standup. Okay, Sam is not in this morning. He's on the road, so I'll be hosting the hangout this morning. Um, so Thomas, do you want to start with updates on your side?
All right. So I worked a little bit on Project Unify code base yesterday evening, and I started the feature about adding competence or skills tags to the user model,
Mm-hmm.
and I got that to working. I'm using a library called Act as Taggable on.
Okay.
So we're adding that, and there was some issues. I faced some issues with the Godmin interface because I'm learning how to work with that gem, but I managed to create a custom view for the tags, and one interesting feature that came a little bit out of the box is the tagging count on each tag, so we can see if somebody tags himself with Java or Ruby or something, then we can see how many people in the system are tagged with that tag, which consequently means that we can match people by tags basically, which is pretty interesting. So my idea is that we will be able to tag people with competence tags and also geolocation as a first step. So I have a pull request, a WIP pull request submitted to GitHub, and so I'm still working on it. I won't have time to contribute any code to that today. So anybody watching this, if they want to check out my feature branch and continue to work on this, that would be great. The next thing to do is to add some acceptance tests to the Godwin, checking the Godwin interface that everything is displayed properly. But I already have some tests for adding and updating tags on a user that are passing, but I kind of spotted a little bit of a mistake that I've made yesterday, so I need to redo some of this. But it's a work in progress.
Right.
Well, other than that, we merged the API documentation pull request, so we are now generating the documentation dynamically, which is good. So I'm quite happy about moving forward. And I also was in contact with the Project Unify people, and I gave them access to some logos for Agile Ventures and also for Craft Academy, and gave them small, pitches about those two organizations, because they will meet with some stakeholders and some potential backers tomorrow. So they are preparing a PPT presentation right now. So that's good. And I have no blockers. I don't plan to do a lot of Agile Ventures work today. I'm busy with other stuff.
All right. Awesome. Thanks, Thomas. Well, things on my side. Yesterday I was able to review some more pull requests on the website one project, and so there was a couple of pull requests that were merging to develop. So I need to check them. Well, if we all happy with it, I will have to push them to staging, and then if it's okay, then I'll push them to production. Some of the fixes that we merged last week. So I'll have to check that out later. And, also, I had some plans to probably later this evening work with Sam Pretty on just getting to know the code base a little bit about, and fixing. There's a small issue at the moment, a very tiny one that we're going to be looking at, and it's going to just work around the code base. Yeah. So other than that, I don't have any particular plans for the day, and no book was at the moment.
Mazen,
So,
have you done any Agile Ventures related work?
Nope, nothing from my side.
All right. And
so
is there any text updates from anybody in the channels?
just like text updates. Okay, there's no text updates so far.
All right.
I guess that's kind of it for today's stand-ups. Right.
Once again?
I'm saying then if there's no text updates in the channel right now, So I think we can just wrap up the stand-up and maybe go to the feedback session if someone needs some feedback on something.
My battery prohibits me from asking or giving any feedback today because my cell is about to die. So
Okay.
I'll pass on this.
All right, cool.
Okay.
I don't intend to get any feedback today, so
Okay.
we can pass.
Mazen, do you want any feedback today?
Not for today.
Come on, don't be afraid of feedback.
We're all friends here. Okay, guys.
All right.
I'll be dropping out. I'll see you soon. So if you guys set up the
Yeah. So
stuff,
yeah. Okay.
amazing. All right. Talk to you soon.
Okay. Bye, Thomas.
Bye-bye.
Have a good day.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.